Perfluorooctanoic acid, otherwise known as C8 or PFAS. I chose to watch the documentary, The Devil We Know. The best example of pathos shown in this film is when the people who had been harmed the most talk about their experiences. One man who worked at DuPont developed cancer, along with a majority of other people who worked with him as well. At one point in the video, he had started listing off the people he had worked with, or who didn't work with him but he knew who lived locally that developed cancer from exposure to C8. As he was listing them, I had lost count of how many people had been exposed. The most shocking statistic is that this chemical, C8, is in trace amounts of people all over the world. That means it was put into so many household items for so many years that at one point, everyone has been exposed. Once the chemical enters your body, it can't be broken down by your cells. So it is then passed down to your children and their children, and the cycle will continue. I believe the target audience for this film was not specified to any particular group or person. They made it for anyone who would watch it. The goal of the film was to educate people on what chemicals are being made by corporate giants and are being deemed safe when they aren't. They want us to check where our products are from and what is in them. This video is effective because now I am checking if C8 is in anything I have. I agree with the arguments in the film. My opinion of trusting the EPA, who are supposed to keep us safe as consumers, has changed. I have found out that even they can be bought. In the video, they showed documents sent from DuPont to the EPA that told the EPA what to say about their products and that they were safe. DuPont and the EPA knew that just one drop of C8 was deadly. The question that is unanswered from the video is if anyone is trying to stop DuPont from making the new chemical that is a substitute for C8. It is just as toxic and deadly as C8, and it's still being made. It's called Gen X. Gen X is used just like C8, and it's everywhere. I think the film was interesting and used people's experiences to keep viewers interested. They used scare tactics and had statistics in people's health problems so we could see the horrible side effects of the chemical. I enjoyed watching it because now I am more aware of what chemicals are in certain brands and where to buy them. Without this video, I would still have been clueless on what DuPont did and is still doing all over the world.